Some mornings you don't check the weather twice, you just go. This is the 60 Sunreef Power, and she gets you off the dock faster than most catamarans her size. Sunreef builds her by hand in Gdansk, one hull at a time, and this platform has been proven for more than a decade. What that means for you: fewer surprises, more days actually spent on the water. Twin diesels give you real reserve when you want it, and an electric eco version swaps in solar-charged batteries for quiet, fumeless running, the kind of morning where you hear the water, not the engines. The aft platform drops to the waterline. Tender goes in, paddleboards come out. You're swimming before the anchor's even settled, and the garage behind you holds everything else you brought along. Full beam cockpit means the whole crew fits for sunset without anyone standing. The saloon slides right into it, skylight overhead, so the light never really leaves. Solar panels keep the batteries topped without a generator running through your evening. This is a day built around staying out longer, not heading in early. Inside is base camp, not the destination. Bright, open, built to your own layout. The real story is outside. A hull refined since 2012, now carrying Sunreef's newest thinking, still doing the one thing it was built for. This isn't a boat you look at on a Saturday. It's one you live on by 8 in the morning. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachtscom or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.